Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a multi-circle fan-folded shirt that I'm going to ice dye. My shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out in my Panda spin dryer, and so it's just barely damp. I've also got it turned inside out. For this shirt, I'm going to go ahead and center my shirt. So I have one sleeve tucked inside of the other. That's what I'm doing right now, and I am lining up the seams of the sleeves. I'm also going to grab the seams of the shoulders and line those up as well. Then I'm putting the middle of the front of my shirt and the middle of the back of my shirt right up next to each other, smoothing out any wrinkles that I have in my shirt. And laying those on top of each other. So what that does is I have both of the sides of the front of my shirt together and both of the sides of the back of my shirt together. That means the front of my shirt's going to look symmetrical when I put the dye on, and the back of my shirt will look symmetrical. Now I'm just going to fold my shirt in half again. And fold the sleeve up where it matches the width of my shirt. Using a washable marker and a piece of kite string, I'm going to draw an arc onto my shirt. This is the side that has the bulk of the folds on it where I drew my arc. Now I'm just going to fan fold this line. After I have my fan folds done, I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. For the rest of my shirt, I'm going to go ahead and tidy up some of these fan folds so that this part is fan folded as well, and tie it up with kite string too. Even though this shirt is damp, it's still a little bit stiff because I have so many layers of fabric in these folds. I'm going to ice dye this shirt on a rack, so I have it on a rack over the top of a tub, and I'm using some silicone cake molding to make myself a barrier for the ice. I'll leave a link in the description below for the cake molds. I'm going to use a binder clip to hold the two ends of the cake molds in place. Then I'm going to use some wooden clothespins to keep my cake molds from collapsing on the outside so that they'll hold their shape a little bit better. The dye that I'm beginning with is Iris from Pro Chemical and Dye. Followed by Passion Fruit from Custom Colors, Ice Blue from Pro Chemical and Dye, Lilac from Dharma Trading Company, and I'm going to put one more line of the Passion Fruit from Custom Colors right here at the end. I'm going to add a sprinkle of soda ash over the top of my shirt. I add the additional soda ash because as the ice melts and runs throughout the shirt, I want to make sure it doesn't rinse out all the original soda ash that I put in my shirt when I soaked it in soda ash, so this is just a backup layer of soda ash. Then I'm going to add the ice to the top and set it aside and allow it to process. I came back about 24 hours later, all the ice had melted, and this is what my shirt looked like. I have a little bit of undissolved dye on my shirt. I could just go ahead and add another layer of ice to this and let it force some more of this dye throughout my shirt. However, because this is such a thick fold in a shirt, I want to just go ahead and turn it over and add more dye to the back side. So I'm just going to do the same pattern on the back as I did on the front. I'm going to add more additional soda ash to the back, and some more ice. I went ahead and let my shirt continue to process another 24 hours after the ice melted on the back side. And this is what our shirt looks like. I really like this fold. However, I think if I do this one again, I'm going to change up the colors a little bit. I think I need a more diverse color palette. The iris, the ice blue, and the lilac were all a little too close in color that you can't see a lot of different colors in this shirt, just kind of where a few of them split. But I do like the additional passion fruit that is up at the top on the shoulders and in the sleeves. So I'm going to have to mess with this one a little bit more, and I'm going to try it with a different color palette and see how that ends up turning out. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.